When life feels heavy, when your heart struggles to find peace, remember this. There is a command so powerful that the entire universe obeys it, and it begins with a single phrase, Kun Fayakun. When Allah says Kun Fayakun, everything shifts. Darkness turns into light, hopelessness transforms into possibility, and the impossible becomes real. That same power is closer to you than your next breath. Imagine a moment when you feel completely lost, and yet with Allah's command, your path is made clear, your heart is at ease, and your soul feels a peace it never knew. Every struggle you face, every tear that falls, carries meaning. When life seems unfair or doors remain closed, know that Kun Fayakun is not just a phrase in the heavens, it is a promise. It reminds you that your challenges are not the end. They are a prelude to transformation. The universe does not move randomly, it moves with His will. Your worries, your fears, and your unanswered questions exist only to be transformed when Allah commands, Kun Fayakun. That single moment can change everything about your life. You might feel powerless. You might wonder if your prayers matter, if your efforts are enough, or if anyone notices your struggles. But every silent prayer, every hidden tear, every act of patience matters more than you realize. Allah sees. Allah hears. And when the time is right, when your heart is ready, His command reaches you. Kun Fayakun. Your situation changes, your life changes, your soul rises. It is gentle, yet unstoppable. Like the morning sun breaking through the darkest night, Kun Fayakun brings hope where you thought there was none. Think about your dreams, the ones you have whispered only to yourself. Some doors seem closed. Some paths seem blocked. And yet, the moment Allah says Kun Fayakun, those doors open. That blocked path becomes clear. Opportunities appear that you never imagined. Hearts that were distant draw near. Kun Fayakun is not magic you see with eyes. It is power you feel in your soul. Your faith, your patience, your trust in Him activates this power. Life will continue to test you. There will be moments of doubt, moments of fear, moments where you feel nothing will ever change. But remember, every moment is temporary. Every difficulty carries the seed of growth. Allah's command of Kun Fayakun reminds you that nothing is permanent except His plan. Trust it. Lean into it. Surrender to it. Because when He says Kun Fayakun, your life will unfold in ways you cannot control, but will always benefit you. Let this truth sink into your heart. No darkness is too deep, no sorrow too heavy, and no failure too final. Kun Fayakun is a reminder that Allah's power is absolute, and His mercy reaches even the places you cannot see. When you feel small, remember the phrase that moved mountains and shaped worlds. That same power is within your reach through faith, patience, and trust. If this message touched your heart, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe for more reminders that uplift your soul. Every click spreads a little light, every share plants a seed of faith, and every subscriber strengthens this journey of inspiration. Keep your heart open, trust in Allah, and remember, when He says Kun Fayakun, miracles happen.